In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and manage.wix.com. We'll move from a quick Google search into your Wix dashboard, open your site in the Wix editor, and add the Wix blog so you can start publishing posts. I'll explain what you're seeing along the way, so everything feels clear and predictable. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Type Wix in the search bar. This is a simple way to reach the official site without memorizing a URL. In the results, look for the listing that reads Wix.com, Website Builder, create a free website in minutes. Confirm the domain shows Wix.com, so you know you're going to the right place, then click it. Once you're on Wix, you may land on your dashboard automatically if you're already signed in. If you see a sign-in screen, use the account connected to the site you want to edit. On the dashboard, you'll see your sites displayed as cards. Find the correct site and choose Design Site. This opens the editing environment for that specific project. If you manage more than one website, take a moment to confirm the thumbnail and site name so you don't open the wrong one. Inside the Wix editor, your page appears in the center with a vertical toolbar on the left. This toolbar is where you control structure and content. Click the plus Add button to open the Add panel. The Add panel is your library of building blocks: text, images, galleries, buttons, strips, sections, and more. Hovering over each category reveals ready-made elements you can drag onto the canvas. If you're new to Wix, notice how grid lines and snapping help you keep items aligned. You can always move or resize elements later, and undo is available if you change your mind. With the Add panel open, locate the Wix blog option and click it. This brings in Wix's blogging features. The editor adds a default set of blog elements, such as a posts feed and links to manage posts. You can reposition these just like any other element and use the design controls to adjust fonts, colors, and spacing so they match your brand. If a prompt appears to enable or finish setting up the blog, follow the on-screen guidance. Wix handles the configuration for you. At this point, your site has blogging capability. You can tailor layouts, organize categories and tags, and prepare your first articles. Use Preview to check how everything looks on desktop and mobile, and make small adjustments until the design feels right. And that's it. From a Google search to your Wix dashboard, into the editor, and adding the Wix blog, you're ready to build and publish your content with confidence.